All right, and what this is a passenger side seat adjuster for a W126 300 SD. And you can see we've opened it up and pulled out all of its little bits here. So we have 16 ball bearings and 8 springs and 4 bronze pivots, and the ball bearings are all the same, and the springs are all the same, and the pivots are all the same. Here's the little rockers, and they're all the same. Here's some things that are different though. So I pull this off, and you can see, ooh, this guy got moved a little. Each of these switches, they rest on top of one of those bronze axles, so they can slide side to side or up and down. And I just wanted to go over here that if I take this out, you'll see this guy has a plastic piece pointing downward and no plastic piece upward. That's the thing that the axle goes through. And then the guy in the middle, you can see, has a plastic piece on each side. And the guy on the right here on the bottom, he has, I don't know if you can see that in the dark, he has a plastic piece on the bottom. And then the guy on the top has a plastic sleeve on each side to hold the pivot. So these are 4 different little switch dudes, and they have 4 different shapes. So these are the ones you have to keep straight when you're reassembling it. See, there's a bunch of contacts in there, and this thing is filthy, so who knows if we're gonna be able to get it working, but maybe.